lagged the customer always. We tried to meet his demands. We never preempted his demands by giving him more than what he needed because, oh, yeah, that's all he paid. This is the amount of money he paid and we'll just give him that. We never preempted the customer. You tell the customer, you start telling the customer, you want only 40 megapascal concrete, right? I'll give you 40 megapascal at a lower cement content, therefore at a lower cost with an increased durability than you wanted. Is that good for you? Who is going to say no? It's good for everyone. And therefore, if you do that now, simple example. Jio, what did they do? Free data for every Tom, Dick and Harry. Now, what are the other guys doing now? Trying to beat Jio, right? Again, when I came to India last year, I was struggling with my idea, last year or year before, that was charging me humongous amounts of money while I was in Hyderabad. I'd recharge for 200 rupees. It was 2 calls, it was done. Because, I was roaming, right? I had my phone in Kerala and I was in Hyderabad, so it was roaming. Now Jio came in, no roaming, nothing. Use your data as much as you want. Give me $300, use 300 rupees as much as you want. Now others are saying, give me 25 rupees and use as much as you want, right? Competition. How competition? This is not competition by cutting corners. Competition by giving the customer more. You see that? That is what our industry has not done. Our industry has always followed, never led. Never anticipated the customer's needs and said, here is a product that you never thought of. I was in R&D in cements for quite some time. Oh, can we add a waterproofing compound to cement? This was a question that I had. Can I add a waterproofing compound to our cement? One of my GMs asked me, can we add this waterproofing compound to our cement? I said, why? So that we can sell waterproofing cements. I said, no, you don't have to. It's already available in the market. Right? So you didn't even know what the landscape of the materials are, and you're trying to do incremental improvements. And this is one example where you can have really performance-related specifications going. How much more time do you want? I can go on for another hour if you, but I'm sure all of you are hungry, right? Okay. How much more time? Okay, 10 more minutes? Okay. So stop me, okay? If you're feeling very hungry, stop me, because I know when you're hungry, you hear nothing. You hear only a rumble from inside, right? And you don't hear any other external sound. Yeah, we can stop it here. It's up to you. It's you guys' call, not me. I'm just an instrument. It's like a tape recorder. You switch me on, I'll go on. You switch me off, and you want, I'll be off. Yeah, any questions? If you have any questions, we'll maybe do a couple of minutes of questions and we can stop. I'll show you that when we get there. You can get equivalent strengths also. Because strength is a function of porosity, right? You write all these equations of strength. So if I put in a 0.7 micron, 5% of 0.7 micron limestone instead of cement, think about how much of extra surface area I'm generating. And think about how much of volume I'm filling with that limestone, right? So I fill a lot of pores. And I'll show you some very small reaction that limestone is capable of doing also, which people have not harnessed. Right now, have you heard of LC3 cements? IIT Madras is doing some work along with EMPA in Switzerland on LC3 cements. So this limestone, same idea, what we did about 5 years ago is exactly the same idea of LC3 cements and for strength, I'll show you what reaction will happen. So they do limestone calcined clay. Calcined clay is basically an alumina source. So limestone needs alumina, should not be a surprise to anyone, right? Limestone has carbonate. Limestone is calcium carbonate. The only thing that can react with carbonate is not silica. You haven't heard of silica carbonate, right? You can't have carbonate and silica react. Only thing that can react with carbonate is an aluminate. You get carboaluminate. That's the only thing. You put in a little bit of, again, tweaking the system, cheating the system to fill the pores, and then you get enough strength and durability. I'll show you all of that. Any other questions? Okay. If not,